Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo. In this video, we are discussing question number B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and here we will provide all the answers accordingly on your WhatsApp. So you have to contact on this number, and which is number is 900 936 8238. You can save our number as a Encyclo name. So B question is, your parents from their regular income make some savings for the known or unknown expenses liability to meet our in future. Prepare a list of past 3 months savings with reasons and differentiate them in the reserves of provisions, keeping in view the principles of the same. So we have prepared all the answers of the subjects. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly in your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching.